Tonight, a calm and endless storm moves across the dark forest, and in the very heart of it stands a small wooden cabin glowing softly through the rain. The golden light from inside spills gently onto the wet ground, reflecting across thousands of shimmering raindrops. Each drop falls with purpose, tapping a slow and soothing rhythm against the wide cabin window, as if the rain itself is telling a long, ancient tale to the night. Inside the cabin, everything feels warm, sheltered, and safe. The crackling of a small lantern, the scent of old pine wood, and the soft hum of the storm outside create a perfect sanctuary for a tired, wandering soul. You step inside slowly, shaking off the cool touch of the rain from your shoulders. The air inside is warm and comforting, like a deep embrace you've been needing for a long time. The wooden floor creaks softly under your feet, not in a disturbing way, but in a familiar, homely way, as if the cabin is welcoming you back after many years. You walk toward the window, where the rain streaks glide slowly downward, merging, separating, and forming new paths again and again. You watch them move, each droplet glowing under the soft lamplight, each making its own tiny journey down the glass. You take a deep breath. The warm air fills your lungs, calming your chest, loosening your shoulders. The storm sings outside, not loud, not harsh, but steady, soothing, protective, like a guardian watching over you. You sit in a wooden chair near the window, the same chair that has probably held many stories, many quiet nights, many tired hearts. The cushion beneath you is soft, gently worn, shaped perfectly to cradle a resting body. The lamp beside you glows with the warm amber light, wrapping the room in a gentle comfort that melts away the weight of the day. As you settle into the chair, your eyes begin to follow the rain more closely. Through the thick sheets of water, the dark silhouettes of tall pine trees sway slowly in the wind. Their movement is rhythmic and calm, bending gracefully to the rhythm of the storm. The forest feels alive, whispering softly with each breeze. The storm deepens, but instead of growing fierce, it feels grounding, like nature is washing away all that you've been holding inside. The steady beat of rain becomes a lullaby. The rolling thunder in the distance becomes a heartbeat. And the soft glow of the cabin becomes a gentle hand resting on your back. Minutes pass, but inside the cabin, time seems to slow down. The world outside blurs into a peaceful wash of blue and silver. And inside, everything becomes still, deeply, beautifully still. You close your eyes for a moment. You feel your breathing soften. Feel your mind quieting. Feel your worries loosening their grip one by one. There is nothing you need to solve right now. Nothing you need to fix. Nothing you need to chase. Just breathe. Just rest. Just be here in this warm cabin on this rainy night. You open your eyes again, and the glow of the lamp seems warmer than before. The storm seems slower, calmer, almost as if it senses your presence and is singing just for you. The soft whooshing of wind, the tapping of droplets, and the distant rumble of the sky all blend into a perfect symphony of relaxation. You imagine the forest floor soaking in the rain, roots drinking deeply, trees standing tall and peaceful. You imagine the world being renewed drop by drop, and slowly you feel renewed too. The longer you sit in this cabin, the more your mind drifts into gentle thoughts, soft memories, calming images, warm feelings. Your body grows heavier. Your breathing slower. Your eyelids softer. The rain becomes softer too, as if whispering a final message. You are safe. You are warm. You can rest now. The cabin holds you like a quiet friend. The rain protects the night for you. And slowly, peacefully, you begin to drift. Drift into softness. Drift into stillness. Drift into deep, deep sleep. Good night. Sleep deeply. Sleep safely. Sleep peacefully as the rain guards your dreams tonight.